Papa Mac here again, with a follow-up from my previous arbitrage video tutorial. Call me crazy, but analysis to me is like bananas and rockets are to apes. So let's dive into this tutorial. I thought, wouldn't it be awesome if we could just have something that let you put in some numbers and helpful ape-related data popped out? Then I got to thinking, hey, that is why spreadsheets were invented. Next I said to myself, Papa Mac, in your previous jobs over the years you created tons of spreadsheets, so why not create the ultimate ape arbitrage spreadsheet? We could call it the POASS for Papa Mac's online awesome spreadsheet. Plus hopefully apes won't be a POASS after the MOASS. With no further delay, introducing the POASS. It is now online and available for apes to use. Remember, don't simply be a trust me bro type. And be sure to look over the formulas and such before taking it too seriously. I believe I have entered everything correctly, but a review is always wise. The spreadsheet is actually stored as a web page, so nothing is needed to be downloaded to your PC to be able to kick the tires and experiment with numbers you type in. For this tutorial I thought it would be interesting to plug in some real-world numbers and see what it shows. I will be using the APE and AMC closing trading prices from Friday, February 25, 2023, the most recent data available, as my input for the A section of the spreadsheet. For the B section of the spreadsheet, it is expecting you to put the number of 10 share blocks you would like to purchase today at the price entered in the A section. For this example where I'm wanting to do a what-if analysis of spending about $1,000 on AMC shares and $1,000 on APE shares. $1,000 can purchase 17 10-block groups of AMC shares. Keeping in mind 17 blocks times 10 shares times $6.20 a share will cost $1,054. So I put 17 in the B section for AMC. Section for the APE shares, I can buy 49 blocks of 10 at $2.16 per share. Doing that math shows it will cost me $1,058.40 to buy my APE shares. So with these numbers I am spending almost the exact same on both AMC and APE shares, well at least within $5, so close enough. C section. Wait, that sounds weird, let's call it section C. Section C is where the fuzzy math comes into play. This section is depending on you predicting what you think the price will be for AMC and APE the day of the proxy meeting March 14, 2023. Obviously no one would complain if a MOASS were to happen before that date, but for this analysis we are going to leave the prices pretty close to where they were on February 24, 2023. We will give them a little bump just for fun. So for AMC we will put $7 and APE we will enter $2.50. Obviously you could tweak these to your predictions as you see fit. Moving on to section D. Again, this one will require you to use all your APE wrinkles. The number we are putting here is what we predict the AMC and APE shares prices will quickly adjust to if the proxy measures are voted down, i.e. no votes at the March 14, 2023 meeting. Many wrinkly brain apes believe if it is a no vote that the APE share price will quickly move back to near its previous lows. I tend to agree with this analysis. So for APE we will put in 80 cents as that is close to the lows we have seen. For AMC this is a bit trickier. Some wrinkly brains think it will skyrocket if there will be no dilution to AMC, as a no vote would prevent the reverse split. However, other wrinkly brains think that if Adam Aron does not receive the yes votes to be able to raise significant capital, then the shorts will have a stronger thesis for bankruptcy and will short AMC down along with APE. I tend to agree with the latter apes in this example, so I am going to enter $4.50. Obviously you can change this to your liking to see the impact of your predictions. This is where the POASS does its thing and spits out the analysis information. So let's first look at the section that assumes the votes pass. With passage the conversion and reverse split price for the new AMC share price will be $41.09. Keeping in mind this is based on the share price input in section C. This will be shown toward the bottom of the spreadsheet. Again, the spreadsheet doing the math for us, we see that our $1,054 we had invested in AMC shares was reduced to being worth $698.50. Or said another way, it equals a loss of $355.45, a 33.7% loss. Looking at our $1,058 APE investment, it returned a 90.2% profit. $955.08 return, almost doubling the investment. However, as they say, not all bananas are ripe for the picking. Actually, not sure if anyone really says that. Let's take a look at the no vote possibility perspective. But using our prediction in section D, here's the results. The AMC investment would lose $289 and the APE investment would get hammered $666.40. Yikes, the devil number. Let's just round it up and call it $667. So hopefully this tutorial has piqued your ape interest and can be useful to you in making decisions. To me, one of the biggest questions is, what do you think the chances of the vote to convert and reverse split will be? Yes. If you have strong confidence that a yes vote is in the bag, that makes the choice of AMC or ape shares easy. If you think no is in the cards, then another action would be prudent. I guess no one has ever said arbitrage was simple or easy. Best wishes, my fellow apes. Papa Mac out.